Go to your Shopify admin page and click on Settings in the lower left corner. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for the Brand option and select it. This is the central hub where Shopify now manages your store's visual identity, including both your main logo and your favicon. Inside the brand dashboard, you will see a section labeled Favicon Image. Click the Add or Edit button inside that dedicated square. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to upload an image from your computer. For the best results, make sure your image is a perfect square and saved as a PNG or JPG file, though a clear, simple icon works best at such a small size. After you upload the image, the system will show you a preview of how it looks in the Browser tab. If you are happy with the preview, click the Save button in the top right corner of the Brand Settings page to apply the changes. Keep in mind that favicons often get cached by your internet browser, so you might not see the update instantly. To verify that your upload was successful, open a new incognito or private browsing window and navigate to your live store. You should see your new favicon appear in the Browser tab immediately. If it still shows the old icon after a few hours, try manually clearing your browser's cache from the history settings to force the new image to load.